Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this fall ready look. I am just eager to jump into fall, and I'm excited that it's been a little cloudy, a little chilly, a little fall appropriate. If you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so I am using the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, and the first shade I took is Rope, which is this shade here. It's just a very soft, warm brown, and all I'm doing is just buffing it into my lid and then also just bringing it down into the lid ever so slightly. But that's what we look like, the difference. To be honest with you guys, I don't know where this is going. I just started to play with makeup and I said, well, might as well film it. I've officially gone back to work full time, and it has been a little tricky to film because I get up at 5 in the morning, I shower, I do whatever I have to do, and then I start work at 7. And then I have my son, and it gets a little challenging. Normally I would film while he was napping, and now I have to work while he's napping because it's a solid 2 hours of where I can sit down and be productive versus being disrupted because he's hungry or he wants something or I have to change him. It's just been a little bit of an adjustment period. I'm going to take a Zoic, which is this shade here, and I'm going to use that with a flat brush. This is a Smith Cosmetics 256, and I am going to use that to press this onto the lid. It's very cloudy here, and it's been raining, and it feels like fall. I'm actually kind of excited to start transitioning into fall. There's just something very comforting about the rain, the cool weather. I'm ready for it. And I love summer, I do. But it's nice to start transitioning. I just thought about my plants. It has been a little bit cold. I'm like, oh Lord, they're gonna die. And you guys know that this inner corner is a little tricky for me because my lid is a little saggy. We're working on it though. We're working on it. I'm going to take a little bit of that shade on this fluffy brush that I've been using. I'm just going to use that to add the shade into the crease. This shade I love. It's one of those cream to powder formulas, which Natasha does so well, and I absolutely love it. So what I see is I'm probably going to take one of these gold shades or the copper shades and pop that somewhere on this lid. This is what it's looking like. All right guys, I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm going to take whatever's left on it and run that on the lower lash line just to give me that really smoky finish. I love this. I love how easy this palette is and how, you know, it can be a spring palette, a fall palette, a summer palette. Really, you can do anything with this palette. So I think I'm going to take Blaze, which is this shade here, and I'm going to apply it with my finger. Reading this shade, the name of the shade made me think of my son. He's whenever he plays with his little cards, he's like, let's blaze. And then I'm going to take my brush and just make sure that I keep this color really diffused and soft. So all I did was I took the edges and then just blended them outward and inward. I'm going to take my blending brush and just really blend again to make sure that we have a very soft and diffused eye. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take my Tantastic Bronzer by Marc Jacobs, and I am going to apply that all over my face. And I'm just going to give myself a really diffused, bronzy look. I'm not trying to contour or do anything of that nature, just really warm up my complexion. For my lips, I'm going to be using Anywhere Caffeine and Dusk Lip Gloss by Hourglass. For my blush, I'm going to be using this NARS palette, and I will be mixing these two shades just to kind of give myself a little bit of a burned look. All right, guys, here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I think this is just appropriate for the weather. I'm super excited to be tiptoeing into fall. Please let me know down below if you guys have any requests for upcoming videos. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week and I don't want you guys to miss any of them. And make sure to like this video because it does help my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.